Brainstorming is an important part of any collaboration, and Whiteboard inside Microsoft 365 is the simple, no-nonsense way for teams to do it. Whiteboard does exactly what you might think. It's a tool for sharing ideas with as many people as you like, in real time just by sharing a link. Whiteboard is at its best when used with a stylus, as it automatically recognizes shapes and tables, and converts them into a great digital design. You and your colleagues can also add sticky notes, drawings, and pasted text or images from the web. There are lots of Whiteboard apps available, but few can integrate with other Microsoft apps like Whiteboard can. For more information about Whiteboard or any other Microsoft 365 tool, get in touch with us today.
Thank you for watching this video. If it provided some value to you, please like it. If you want to see more content like this, please follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Finally, if you need help with your technology, please reach out to us via the methods on the screen. This is Glenn Holcomb from Mighty Manatee IT. Have a great day.